We should get jerseys, 'cause we make a good team. But yours would look better than mine, 'cause you're out of my league. And I know that it's so cliche to tell you that every day I spend with you is the new best day of my life. Everyone watching us just turns away with disgust. This jealousy, they can see that we've got it going on. I'm racking my brain for a new improved way. Let you know you're more to me than what I know how to say. You're okay with the way this is going to be, 'cause this is going to be the best thing we've ever seen. If anyone can make me a better person, you could. All I gotta say is I must have done something good. Came along one day and you rearranged my life. All I gotta say is I must have done something right. I must have done something right. I made a habit of never making promises that aren't easy to keep. And there you have it, but now I'm making one that is to keep you here with me. 'Cause every second that goes by, I feel it's just a waste of time if I'm not with you. If home is where the heart is, then my home is where you are. But it's getting oh so hard to spend these days without my heart. So I'm taking you with